Hey quilters, ready to go on a fabric safari through your stash? Meet Scrap Quilts from Crumbs, Strips and Strings, the ultimate guide for turning every tiny bit of fabric into quilted gold. Emily Bailey is all about zero waste and getting creative with the smallest scraps. Whether it's crumbs, strips or mystery strings, she shows you how to piece them into lovely patchwork with no fabric left behind. Inside you'll discover 15 scrap-savvy quilt projects, from full-size bed throws to quick mini quilts and pillows that are perfect for a weekend make. Emily even walks you through clever modern cutting tricks, hello AccuQuilt, to speed things up. What I love, it's practical with a burst of creativity. Every quilt tells a story, your story, through the fabric chunks collected over time. Think of it as quilting with memories. The book's pages are full of clear, step-by-step instructions and plenty of inspiring sample photos. You'll feel confident diving into your scrap bin and coming out with something beautiful. If you're looking to cozy up your home, clear out your fabric stash, or just try something fun and eco-friendly, this is the book for you. So grab those scraps, they're begging for a second life, and let Scrap Quilts show you how to make quilt magic from the tiniest bits.